Hello, I'm Martin Smith, and this is your UFX Markets Week in Review. Today we'll cover some of the major events of the past week and discuss how they impact the global currency markets. Last Friday, the yen rose as government data showed that US non-farm payrolls added 115,000 jobs, which is the smallest gain in 6 months, after a revised increase of 154,000 in March. The unemployment rate declined to 8.1% from 8.2%. Federal Reserve Chairman Ben Bernanke announced last week that the central bank is ready to do more if necessary to boost the economy. The yen was last trading at the level of 79.69, a decrease of minus 0.60%. The euro declined versus the US dollar by the most in almost a month after continued slowing in the region's economies and before elections that could bring leadership changes. France and Greece are holding elections this weekend, increasing speculation that efforts to resolve Europe's debt crisis may falter. François Hollande, who is leading French President Nicolas Sarkozy in polls, has called for renegotiation of the budget put into place by European leaders in March, arguing that it needs more emphasis on growth. Spain's GDP fell 0.3% in the first quarter, remaining the same as in the previous 3 months, pointing to its second recession since 2009. Data emerging last week indicated that Britain's economy re-entered a recession last quarter. The euro was last trading at the level of 130.69, a decrease of minus 0.63%. The British pound reached its highest level against the dollar since August amid speculation that the Bank of England will freeze its asset purchase program next week, reinforcing the attraction of the currency as a safe haven from Europe's debt crisis. Sterling was trading at the level of 161.38 last Friday, a decrease of minus 0.23%. Commodities now. Oil declined to below $100 a barrel for the first time since February as US employers added less workers than forecast, increasing concern that demand will not be sufficient to reduce inventories from their highest level in 21 years. Oil was last seen trading at the level of $98.49 a barrel, a decrease of minus 3.95%. Well, that's all we have time for today. I hope you've enjoyed this week's review and you'll join us next week. Until then, be sure to visit us at ufxmarkets.com for all of your online trading needs. For UFX Markets, I'm Martin Smith. Good luck and happy trading.